Good morning everyone. Today we will dive into the fascinating world of natural rubber and essential resources that impacts our daily lives in more ways than we might imagine. So without further ado, let's dive into the world of rubber. Natural rubber is a versatile and elastic material that is obtained from the latex of rubber trees, scientifically known as Caviar brasiliensis. This tree is native to the Amazon rainforest and is now primarily cultivated in Southeast Asian countries like Thailand, Indonesia, and Malaysia. One of the most well-known natural polymer is polyisoprene. Polyisoprene is diene polymer that contains two carbon-carbon double bonds. Did you know that word rubber actually comes from the use of pencil eraser? So for this slide, we're gonna talk about general properties of the natural rubber, which is the properties is elastomers. It is highly morphology, and the glass transition temperature is -70 degrees Celsius. We are moving on to the next slide. In this slide, I list out 7 physical properties of rubber, which is the first one is adhesiveness, second is elastic, the next one is impermeability, the fourth one is water repellent, next is resistant to weak acids and alkalis, the next one is electrical resistance, and last but not least is toughness. Natural rubber exhibits outstanding elastomeric properties, allowing it to recover its original shape even after being stretched or deformed. A phenomenon attributed to the principle of entropy disorder governed by the second law of thermodynamics.
Vulcanization is a chemical process that enhances natural rubber by cross-linking individual polymer chain, resulting in improved mechanical properties and increased durability. This advancement has significantly broadened the application of natural rubber, such as tire. Vulcanization begins by heating the raw natural rubber by vulcanizing agent such as sulfur. As the mixture is heated, sulfur will form bridge between the matrix. This cross-link creates a 3D network. This network restricts the movement of polymer chain, which provides strength, resilience, and higher melting point. Then the rubber compound cured at elevated temperature for a specific duration. During curing process, cross-linking reaction continue ensuring complete vulcanization. Then the rubber compound cured at elevated temperature for a specific duration. During curing process, cross-linking reaction continue ensuring complete vulcanization.
Next, I will present about the other methods of vulcanization, and the method is radiation vulcanization of natural rubber latex, or in short, I call RV&RL. RV&RL is a natural rubber latex that has undergone radiation vulcanization using ionizing radiation, such as electron beam or gamma radiation. RV&RL may be used to make gloves, condoms, balloons, baby teeth, and other varieties dipping goods that our consumers are willing to use. Due to its lack of poisonous and carcinogenic products, these rubber goods for medical and sanitary uses, and perhaps it is the most promising applications of RV&RL technology. There are various of benefits that we can have if we use this method compared to the vulcanization with sulfur. The first one is it can improve latex stability. The second one is it has fewer or no toxicity issues. The third one is it has greater product clarity. The fourth one is it has less environmental pollution, and also it has lower ash content. And the last one is it has lower modulus.
The significance of vulcanization become apparent through the remarkable improvement into the rubber property. Vulcanized rubber exhibit enhanced tensile strength, tear resistant, and abrasion resistant, making it ideal for application requiring durability and resilience, such as tire. Moreover, Vulcanization imparts heat resistance to the rubber, enabling it to maintain its shape and property even under elevated temperature. Additionally, the cross-link structure enhances the rubber resistance to chemical degradation, making it suitable for application involving exposure to various chemicals. Furthermore, vulcanization reduces the rubber elasticity and creep behavior, preventing it from returning to its original shape after deformation. This is crucial for application requiring stability and shape retention, such as shoe sole. The drawback of vulcanized rubber is first, they need to mold before cross-link because natural rubber doesn't flow when heated, and second, it is very hard to recycle.
Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn about natural rubber and synthetic rubber. These are two kinds of rubber with some interesting differences. Let's dive into the world of rubbery wonder. Source differences. In one corner, we have natural rubber. It comes from the latex sap of rubber trees, like magic sticky stuff collected by taping the trees. In the other corner, say hello to synthetic rubber. This rubber is made in labs, using a mix of special ingredients like a rubbery potion. Sustainability check. Talking about the environment, natural rubber gets a thumbs up. It's renewable and can break down naturally, but we need to be careful about deforestation. As for synthetic rubber, it tries to be more eco-friendly. Scientists are working to make it greener and lessen its impact on the environment. Both natural rubber and synthetic rubber are awesome. Each has its strengths and plays an essential role in our life. We must use them wisely, considering sustainability and taking care of our planet. We'll talk about two types of rubber and the cool things they do. Natural rubber applications. First, tires. Natural rubber helps make car tires bouncy and safe for driving. Latex glove. It's used to make gloves for doctors and scientists to keep them safe. Rubber band. You know those stretchy bands that hold stuff together? That's natural rubber. Balloons. It's the reason why balloons can float and make us smile at parties. Synthetic rubber application. Now, let's talk about the other rubber made in a lab. Neoprene wetsuits. People use it to make comfy wetsuits for swimming and surfing. Nitrile gloves. For folks who cannot use natural rubber, nitrile gloves are perfect for protecting their hands. Conveyor belt. Ever wonder how stuff moves around in factories? Synthetic rubber helps with that. Silicone prosthetic. Special rubber helps create artificial limbs, making life better for some people. In short, both natural and synthetic rubber make our lives awesome in different ways. Natural rubber is from trees and is stretchy, while synthetic rubber is made in lab for specific jobs.